남편은 아내가 이미 오래전부터 바람을 피우고 있다고 의심했습니다. 그래서 아내가 깊이 잠든 사이 그녀의 발바닥에 잉크를 바르고 이를 통해 불륜 증거를 잡으려 했습니다. 이튿날 새벽, 아내의 핸드폰이 갑자기 울렸습니다. 아내는 핸드폰에 뜬 애매한 메시지를 보고 기쁨을 감추지 못했습니다. 그녀는 깊이 잠든 남편을 한번 쳐다보더니 자리에서 일어나 데이트를 나갈 준비를 했습니다. 그녀는 살금살금 방을 나서며 이 시간에 남편이 눈치챌 리 없다고 생각했습니다. 하지만 그녀는 바닥에 자신의 발자국이 남아 있다는 것을 몰랐습니다. 아내가 막 나가자 잠든 척하던 남편이 바로 일어났고 즉시 바닥에 발자국을 따라 뒤쫓아 나갔습니다. 그는 아내가 다른 남자와 만나는 장면을 목격했습니다. 그러나 남자는 당장 아내를 들추지 않고 대신 해외에 있는 장인어른에게 전화를 걸었습니다. 소식을 들은 장인어른은 즉시 전용기를 타고 급히 귀국했고 비행기가 도착하자 남자는 장인어른을 데리고 아내가 새로 연 헬스장을 방문했습니다. 그런데 그곳에서 마침 운동하러 온 정부와 마주치고 말았습니다.
See that guy? Classic poser. Pays a fortune for gym memberships just to look like he works out. Never actually does. Easy money.
Two old guys. Neither looks like the gym type.
Welcome. We've got memberships and personal training packages at different prices. Feel free to take a look.
Thanks, appreciate it. Dad, I pulled a muscle the other day, so I can't do any heavy lifting right now. I'll just hit the treadmill with you.
Great. Let's grab 2-hour passes, see what Laura's done with the place.
Dressed rich but buying hour passes. Cheap trash.
Top of the line equipment.
Yeah, Laura only
This is a
wanted
high-end private gym.
Not some community fucking fitness center for trash and horny old men who poop young girls.
We got 2-hour passes. Isn't a gym supposed to welcome anyone who wants to work out? Work out? Name? Kieran? 28 years old? Broke? No muscle? Dude, what a loser. Dude, you know what? You're no different from this fossil next to you, this walking retirement home.
Watch your mouth, kid.
Oh, come on. He's only 30, but he's as frail as a 60-year-old man. Two broke dicks who can't get it up or lift a thing. Weak old losers.
Be honest, your dick hasn't worked for years, right? Bet your wife's out there fucking someone else while you sit around like an idiot.
Dad, don't waste time with trash in the kid. Let's go. Ignorant, pathetic.
Who the fuck are you calling pathetic? Block the door!
You come here, think you can do whatever and walk out whenever you like?
See this? Those two are just pitiful old fucks. Can't even lift a damn thing. Dad, we can't do strength stuff. Let's go.
Really, bro? Two old losers come to our luxury gym and buy hour passes? That kills our whole vibe.
So what, regular folks don't deserve to train here? That's elitist snobbery. That's what really lowers the standard.
People here spend at least 10 grand. You two got basic passes. Must be broke or homeless even. I get it. Limp sick come here to drool over girls, but no cash? Go home and jerk off to porn!
You what? Look around. You really think you belong here? This place is for building real muscle, not for taking a break from your nursing home. You're just employees here. You really think you can mess with people like this? Aren't you afraid your boss will find out and fire you?
Let me tell you something. This gym, it's owned by my wife.
What did you just say? The owner of this gym is your wife? You still don't get it? This gym?
My wife bought it just for me.
We work out here a lot.
Kieran, maybe you just came to the wrong place. Don't overthink it, okay?
If my wife knew you were here, using the cheapest gear, she'd kick you out herself.
Stop it! You open a gym and suddenly you think you own the world?
I've been around a long time. Never met scum like you. Trashy places like this don't last.
Thing you just said, I didn't like it. Get the fuck down on your knees and apologize. Lay a finger on him, and you'll see what happens.
Dad, are you okay?
I'm calling the cops on you bastards.
You want to complain? You got a death wish?
That's a nice necklace.
Yeah, it's whatever.
These are matching. She's probably gonna give that one to me. So that's how it is.
Every time you said, girls shopping day, live stream work, too tired, maybe next time, it wasn't a lack of time, you just didn't need me.
Kieran?
Laura, she's been cheating on me with this guy.
Try reporting us now. You really think you can mess with my brother and his wife?
That necklace. Where'd you get it?
This 2-year anniversary, Christmas Day. My wife gave it to me. 50 grand, man. The main diamond alone is worth 100 years of your hour passes, you broke-ass losers.
My bestie's bleeding out at the ER. I'll be late. You can just go to sleep.
Christmas Day. You're sure?
Of course I'm sure.
All this time, I thought I wasn't romantic enough, not passionate enough, not fun enough. Turns out, I was never an option.
Boring. Weak. Broke. Just sitting there, watching real men live their lives. If you're smart, you'll get on your knees and apologize now.
Shut up!
You're just a useless old man, you get that? Get on your knees now and beg. If you make me happy, maybe I'll let you walk out of here today.
Yeah, hit the floor. Loosen up those old joints. Who knows, maybe squeeze out a couple more years.
You fucking hit me?
You crazy old bastard!
You shameless little punk. How dare you humiliate others like that? A man living off a woman's money. Are you proud of it? Have you got no shame at all?
You crusty old man. If my wife finds out about this, you're finished!
Fine, then go get Laura. Let's see if she dares say no to me right to my face.
Being a sugar mommy for somebody like you.
She's an embarrassment to our name, to the Bennett family.
You're Laura's father?
Laura's dad lives abroad. These two are just putting on a show.
Give that back.
What, you think this cheap stick makes you look like a rich old man?
You motherfucker came here to get humiliated, huh?
We've seen it before. Broke assholes pretending to be someone important.
Dad.
That all you got?
So weak a woman can take him down.
Whoa. This bottle looks fancy.
That's not yours!
My wife owns this gym. Everything here belongs to me. You got a problem with that?
Do you have any idea who you just hit?
Some washed up nobody about to go bankrupt?
He's the president of BM Technologies, worth billions. You think he'll let this slide?
BM Technologies.
BM CEO, huh? How'd you end up here buying our gym passes just so you can drool over girls?
If this washed-up man is a CEO, then I'm a Victoria's Secret model.
Doesn't matter if I'm CEO or not. Give it back.
Let me teach you something about what's yours and what's not. Hold him down.
You like that? Here, drink it up. Ha!
Old bastard, stay where you are, or you're next.
You don't scare me, fucker. Stop acting like a big shot. Nobody likes you. Your existence is a waste of oxygen.
That's all you've got? And you still want to act tough?
Motherfucker!
Carrying around a bottle of wine like some junkie. Bet you can't even get it up anymore, huh?
Don't! This was a gift from my father-in-law. It means a lot to me. If you break it, I won't let you off the hook.
Oh, that's not exactly a humble attitude. Get on your knees, lick it up, beg for it.
Guess the bottle isn't that important after all.
Kieran, remember this. A man's dignity is everything. It's just a bottle. No matter how much it costs, it's not worth getting on your knees for. I gave it to you. It's yours. Whether it breaks or not doesn't change how I feel about you.
Enough with the father-son drama. Weak fucks like you can't even do anything with that bottle.
That bottle's worth more than you'll ever be!
Fuck you! Old man shit. It stinks. Makes me sick just looking at it.
Spare me the sentimental act. Look at you. Weak old man hands, taking fine wine home? What a waste.
Get off him!
All that attitude's just because you got a sugar mama backing you. Wait till she shows up. Let's see if she's still gonna be on your side.
Fine, you'll see. My wife's powerful enough to make you two geriatric fucks vanish from LA.
My gosh. Wait, that CEO from the production company is actually coming? Emily Clinton? Yeah. Everyone in the industry knows her. If I sign with her, I'm officially A-list. I'm about to level up, bitches. Look, try this. It's a limited edition.
Hello?
Baby, you busy? These two old dudes showed up at the gym looking for trouble, talking shit to me.
What? Who the fuck is dumb enough to mess with my man? Tell the trainers to beat their asses. I'm about to meet some big shots. As soon as I'm done, I'll swing by. Tonight, I want you to really work me out.
Don't worry, babe. I got a new toy. Tonight I'll make you scream for more and rock your world. I'll deal with these clowns first.
That your hot 18-year-old boy toy? I heard he's big, thick, so jealous. Ha! Maybe I'll bring him around sometime. Share the witch with you, ladies. You?
You hear that? My wife says the word and you'll never work in this city again.
Still dreaming of being some hotshot CEO? Pathetic.
Guess I'm just a fool. 5 years of being a loyal husband.
Emily, find me the best divorce lawyer in the state. Now. I want a divorce.
I want a divorce.
I'm on my way. You don't have to do this by yourself. I'm here for you. Boss, Laura's waiting for her endorsement meeting at the cafe. Hit pause on everything. Meeting's off. Divorce? Please. You weak-ass fuck. Your wife's probably praying for it.
When my wife shows up, you'll both be begging me for forgiveness.
You little gigano. Trading your body for money, selling your pride just to please women. Shameless!
Say that again, old man.
Get off him!
Stop! Stop it! Somebody stop them!
Stay down, old man. Move again and you're next.
Come for me. Leave him alone.
Hold him down like a fucking dog!
Since you can't get it up, you better learn to get down like a dog. Come on. Crawl. Give everyone a show. Come on, CEO. Crawl through once, and I'll let you live.
Hurry up, or this old bastard gets it too.
Stop! You're humiliating him! This is a crime! Back off!
Oh my God! Get him!
Good. Real good.
Stop! Stop it!
Animals! You'll pay for this.
Shut up, old man. One more word and you'll go under that bar too.
Let's give our BM president some real weight. Bet a weak old man like you can't even handle this.
No more! He's got a pulled muscle! Shut the fuck up.
Dad!
You piece of shit. While you're lying here, your wife's probably on top of someone else. I bet she hasn't fucked you in years, right? You're here fighting for your life, and she's out there fighting for other things.
No way. What are you waiting for?